Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the new Invokeys Black Sesame Switches that were sent over to me by Invokeys themselves for my honest review. Each switch goes for around 65 cents and the only way you can buy them is lubed. Now I will say they come in packs of 70, 90, and 110, but unfortunately all three are sold out. I got the switches in a little bit later than expected, so that is why the video is kind of late. So sorry about that. Maybe you can find them on Mech Market or just keep up to date with when they get restocked. So for the specs of the switch, it is a linear switch with a long pole palm stem, a polycarbonate top housing, a nylon bottom housing, and a 55 gram actuation force. The spring length is 20 millimeters and it is a single stage spring with a 3.5 millimeter total travel distance. So this is manufactured by Aphelion, and if you guys have heard any of the Switch videos I've done in the past, you'll know that I really rave about how good the lube job on Aphelion switches is, and these by far are one of the best. They are very consistent. I have zero problems between any of my switches where one switch might feel heavier lube than the other, and that problem does not exist at all when it comes to these switches. And that provides for a very consistent and smooth typing experience. Now you know me, I don't like to lube switches, so the fact that you could get some really consistently lubed and very well done and very well made switches for 65 cents, which is how much some other switches cost stock, is a great deal in my opinion. When it comes to the sound signature, they do lean towards the deeper sounds. And for me personally, I like that a lot. I think they sound very nice and deeper, which for the people that want to build a deep or quote unquote THOCK board, this switch might be something that you would like to check out because it does provide that deeper or thockier tone that you might be looking for your keyboard build. I'll be leaving a sound test here so you guys can hear how they sound. Overall, I think Invokeys knocked it out of the park yet again. I don't know which one I would prefer more. I think I lean towards more the Black Sesames over the Invokeys Matcha Lattes, mainly because the Black Sesames have a lighter bottom out. So when it comes to that aspect of things, I do prefer lighter switches sometimes, and I think these are just better for typing longer sessions, and the weight doesn't fatigue me over time like sometimes that would happen on the Invokeys Matcha Lattes. So these are basically just a lighter matcha latte, which is great because the matcha lattes are amazing as is, and these are just as good. Let me know what you guys think about these switches in the comments down below, and if you did want to buy them, I'll be leaving a link to them in the description below. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.